Question. Function g is defined for all real numbers. What is a reasonable estimate for limit x as x tends to 3 function of gh? Well, the problem is in order to find the limit, we have to check first the limit from the left side. So when we do so, we find it approaching positive 4, but from the negative side, we find it positive negative 3. Now, the issue is limit x tends to 3 from positive side, like x tends to 3 from positive side is not equal to limit as x tends to 3 from the negative, and therefore we can't say that the limit exists. So limit doesn't exist. All right, so they're asking us to find the limit of this as x tends to 2, but the problem is when we substitute 2 minus 2 is 0, and like this is indefinite, like indefinite form. I mean, in a form that we can't find the limit directly, so we have to rationalize this with the positive conjugate. So x plus 2, x plus 2, and what do we get? We get a plus b, a plus b, and a minus b, and we know that that is a squared minus b squared, the identity. So that means we can write x squared negative 2 squared, which is 4, and x plus 2 whole squared. Now it doesn't help. It doesn't help because now if you plug in 2 here, 4 minus 4 is again 0. So anything divided by 0 is indefinite. So the limit doesn't exist actually here.